Let's start. Number 1, Sarah deposits $4,000 at a bank at an interest rate of 5% per year. How much interest will she earn at the end of 3 years? So, ang hinahanap po dito is interest. So, number 1, the formula for interest is I is equal to P R T. So, I for interest, P is principal, R is rate, and T is time. So, sa problem number 1, tingnan po yung given, what is P? P is 4,000. T is 3 years. And R is 5%. So, convert po into decimal. Giging 0.05. So, ganyan. So, meron tayong mga given. Let's substitute sa formula ng interest. I is equal to P times R times T. So, what is P? P is $4,000 times R, 0.05, and times 3 years. So, multiply. You can use your calculator. 4,000 times 0.05 times 3. You will get $600. So, ito na po yung interest. So, the interest will be $600 if si Sarah ay mag-deposit ng $4,000 sa bank na merong interest na 5% per year. So, sa 3 years po yun. So, sana po naintindihan. So, let's move on sa number 2. So, number 2. Raymond bought a car for $40,000. He took a $20,000 loan from a bank at an interest rate of 15% per year for a 3-year period. What is the total amount? So that is interest and loan that he would have to pay at the bank at the end of 3 years. So problem number 2 is ang hinihingi ay the total amount na babayaran ni Raymond after 3 years. So first, let's compute the interest. So ano yung principal or the P? P is $20,000. $20,000. What is T? T is 3 years, di ba? What is rate? The rate is 15%. So convert into decimal. This will be 0.15. So, meron tayong mga given. Substitute natin sa formula. I is PRT, $20,000 times 3 years times the rate, 0.15. What is the result? $3,000 times 3 times 0.15. The interest will be $9,000. Okay? So, ang hiningi sa problem ay the total amount na babayaran ni Raymond after 3 years. So, nangutang siya ng $20,000 plus the interest. So, the total amount, I'll just represent the total amount as F is equal to yung inutang niya, the P, di ba? Plus the interest. So, ayan na yung babayaran niya after 3 years. So, ayan yung inutang niya, $20,000 plus the interest, $9,000. Now, the total amount na babayaran ni Raymond is $29,000. So, ito na po yung sagot sa problem number 2. Okay? So, ganito lang po yung process sa paghanap ng total amount. So, let's move on sa number 3. I'll just erase this one. So, number 3. At what rate is interest paid if the interest earned by $6,000 for 2 years is $450. So, dito po sa number 3, ang hinahanap or hinihingi ng problem is the rate. Di ba? So, saan natin kunin yung formula ng rate? So, by using the formula of simple interest, pwede po tayo dito makagawa ng formula ng rate. Paano? So, ang hiningi, di ba? Or ang hinahanap is the rate. So, rate is andito kasama ng PRT. So, divide lang po natin ito by PT. Para ang matira na lang dyan is yung R. So, if nag-divide tayo ng PT, dito sa right side ng equal sign, mag-divide din po tayo dito ng PT sa left side. So, answer, ang matitira, yung nalagay, R is I divided by PT. So, ito na po yung formula for finding the rate. So, by sa given problem, at what rate is interest paid if the interest earned by $6,000 for 2 years is $450. So, let's find the given. I is the interest will be $450. Ano yung P? P is $6,000. And ano yung time? Time is 2 years, di ba? So, ayan. Now, meron tayong mga given. Substitute natin po sa formula. R is I divided by PT. So, what is I? I is 450 divided by 6,000 times 2. Now, you can use your calculator, class.